Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really handy trauma shears. This is actually a 6-in-1 design, completely folds up, and you have a little case that you can keep it in if you wanted to put it on your pants and then be able to quickly grab it out. Completely adjustable, so you can actually change how much that actually moves around in there. So that part is nice. And you've got your tools. Now you do have the 6 different ways that you can use the scissors, and it tells you everything on the box. So that is really nice. So if you ever were confused onto how to use it, but they just simply come folded up. You also have a little clip right here. If you just wanted to clip that part on your pants and not even use this part, you got that. But before I even unfold it, let me show you the details on this part. Right here, you have a window breaker. So if you ever get stuck, in a car and can't get out, you can just use this, hold it, bash down, and that will then break the window for you. You've got this little area that comes out. Here is your oxygen tank, little wrench here, so you can actually move that around, and your seatbelt cutter. So if you ever get stuck in a vehicle, you got your windows, you got your seatbelt, you are ready to go with this one thing. Now, whenever you just pull on the 2 sides, it actually opens up into a scissors. Nice size scissors, be able to cut through, clothing or whatever pretty much anything that you're needing to cut through on this little guy. You've got a ruler here, so if you did need to measure anything, size of a cut or something like that, you can easily see, okay, it's however many centimeters. And right here is your little ring cutter. So if you did have somebody that you needed to take, and obviously I'm not going to cut my ring, but you can just pull the ring underneath there, cut the ring off the finger, and be ready to go with that. All of this has so many different features on it, and you can stick it back in here like this if you wanted to stick it down there and be able to grab it out. So there are different ways of storing it as well. Super easy to use. You've got so many different options. Then whenever you're done, there's a little triangle on both sides of here that allows this to then fold right back up. Have it available to you. You can store it in your glove box. You can have it wherever you're wanting to have it. Great little pair of scissors that can be used for any emergency event.